Yegiata vue marathon korwa sense ya Kenya mkainde vuna Eliud Kipchoge kunyara gutwara bakostorio buyaso mutinyo kianda gose September na mona kunyara kovwa chimbero chiri chia Berlin Marathon amona koveke record ye chimbero nigobono ekiombekeri kia Sports Journalists Association of Kenya ASJA ke kubatirana na company ya LG banyarire ko mwekewa gyokoba sports journalist wo mutinyo okianda uyo mkainde vuna Eliud Kipchoge na anda ko tebire nanyare kwene kibuna asama tukale bosio nagendere gwetoma na kwene kibuna ensi ya Kenya guskere bosio ase chigosori.
Every day is a challenge and I keep on pushing. I don't think in this world there is anybody who reaches satisfaction. So it's we keep pushing to show people that we are training. Yes, it's like when you are in school. If you get first class honors and you are satisfied, then you are done. You will not get a job. But if you get first class honors and still want to study, that you are a person who actually the world needs. You know, the corporate world needs people, but they lack. They don't have people who work by their heart and who work with their sixth sense. So I think for me, every day is a challenge. I challenge myself. And I think all will be well.
So LG has aimed to try and do this venture, and as Eliud has mentioned, also to try and encourage and mentor the young upcoming people to see that actually this is one way that you can be able to use your talents to the best of your benefit, and also how best you can do to represent your community and even you yourself and your families.
Nego korwa sema ya kavere omoro kione Petrila mukira gonde bana